Disclaimer. Top 3 trending short topics to get over 1 million views part 2. Yes, I have uploaded a video on this earlier, but I got comments like I can't understand because it was in Urdu. This time this is in English. Hope you can understand. Let's get started. So you have a YouTube channel. I know you have one. So you are tired of making videos and getting absolutely nothing. This trends will get you at least 1 OK views. But if you listen to what I say first, if you have watched my video at Murphy's Big Fan Pools comment, you know I got well over 7 million views. Yes, you heard 7 million, so the sound I used was steak sound. The video link is in description. So the point here is that this is a trending sound. There are 100 trending sounds out there. Using these you have 50 by 50 chance of getting a lot of views. And if you want to make a short like the tutorial of that is in description. So let's move on at Note 2. If you are a hardcore YouTuber, so you can try our pranks videos and saying yes challenges. But these videos take so much long to make. Let's move on to Note 3. So these type of shorts Minecraft. But I can't touch green get a lot of views. Here is some examples. So these type of videos are in category gaming. So if you find this helpful, tell me in comments, and I will say chose the first one. I will meet you in the next videos. Bye.